Welcome, this is Minu Chaudhary for Channel NE24. On Thursday at 11 a.m., Assam Minister Kaushik Roy laid the foundation stone of the Keshav Smarak Sanskriti Surabhi Wellness Center in the third section of Uttar Krishnapur. To mark this occasion, a discussion meeting was organized where chief guest was Minister Kaushik Roy. Other dignitaries present included Additional District Magistrate of Kachar, Anurag Thakur, South Assam Prant Sanchalak of RSS, Jasna Moy Chakravarti, South Assam Prant Pracharak, Gauranga Roy, Kachar District BJP President Rupam Shah, President of Keshav Smarak Sanskriti Surabhi, Subrangshu Shekhar Bhattacharya, and Chairman of Silchar Development Authority, Manjur Deb. The guests were honored with traditional scarves. Speakers highlighted the welfare work of RSS and Keshav Smarak Sanskriti Surabhi, emphasizing their role in healthcare and disaster relief. The Assam government has allocated 2 crores for the center's construction, which will also provide accommodation for patients visiting Silchar Medical College and Cancer Hospital. The event concluded with honors for the guests and speeches on public welfare. The event was anchored by Pallavita Sharma. Other attendees included Assam BJP Secretary Konat Parkasta, BJP State Member Hemang Shekhar Das, Dr. Abhijit Nath, Devatos Das, Jaydeep Datta, Shaumitra Datta Roy, Raj Shukla Vaidya, Sajal Kumar Dev, and many others. For more news and updates, subscribe our channel NE24, YouTube, and support us by following our Facebook page.
Mumbai te giye sekhane Tata Care giye sekhane চিকিৎসা করানোর জন্য অনেক লোক যায়, কিন্তু সেই টাটার যে সার্ভিসগুলো এর 100% সেই সার্ভিস, কিন্তু তার মতনই যে সার্ভিস সেই সার্ভিস আমরা এই যে টাটা কেয়ারের সঙ্গে আসাম সরকার যে যৌথভাবে যে প্রয়াস শুরু করেছে, এটা আমাদের একটা সেন্টার শিলচরে শুরু হয়েছে গত 2024-এ 1 জানুয়ারি মাননীয় মুখ্যমন্ত্রী মহাশয় এটা উদ্বোধন করেছিলেন। সেটা সার্ভিস আমরা এখান থেকে পেতে পারি।